work with new promoters on the Air and Sea Show? And to what extent should the city assist in this endeavor?
That's a great question, and I'm happy to answer it. I'm quite encouraged by the attitude of the people that came forward with the, I think we're not allowed to call it Air and Sea Show.
That's a copyright.
Wind and what? Water?
Wind and water.
Wind and water show. I didn't know you could copyright the Air and Sea, but anyway. I think the plan that they have, that they're working on, is going to be a well thought out plan. And it's certainly, they have the track record of the previous 13 years to know where the changes have to be made. The former Air and Sea Show had a very, very negative impact on the Galleria. It was 13 years, the Galleria losing $1 million every time it was an Air and Sea Show. So when you talk about an economic engine like the Galleria, that has to be taken into consideration. And all they were asking was that the time be changed so that it wasn't the weekend before Mother's Day, so the second busiest shopping day of the year. And the new promoters have agreed to time it such that it would not have that impact. And then there was another big event, yes, a big convention that also would have been problematic if they had scheduled it on that date, and they've agreed to that. There's going to be a number of hurdles they have to be able to get across, but I think that it's a spectacular event. There's no doubt about it. Sorry, I'm the young person. But I think that it's something that should be encouraged. We did have, as a lot of you probably know, the taxpayers were paying over $500,000 a year subsidizing the former Air and Sea Show until it became public. And then at that time, the promoter, the for-profit promoter, was told he had to be able to carry it himself. And I think